There goes! Timber!
Hell yeah. That'd be done.
It's bigger than it looked.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
And we'll take this up Twin River Hardwoods and get us some cash out of it.
Yeah, I hear you.
How about that?
What? Oh.
That's about where you ended up.
Yeah. Look out.
What about this one?
Got this big.
Better down? You think this slid out? It's supposed to be like up underneath there. Probably not real good, is it?
No. Yeah, that's probably not great. I don't know.
What do you think?
Not for now.
I ain't heard anything now, but 3 or 4 years it's going to be over top of the roof, or it's going to have branches over top of the roof.
Yeah.
Get you some guardrail, buddy.
Only thing is, it's kind of keeping this bank from slipping.
You think?
Yeah, I mean, that's what keeps me treating the can
Okay.
on the bank, so
Okay.
it becomes a problem with those.
Yeah.
Hey, man, this fuck girl's here.
Oh yeah, buddy. It's over there too.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, it's the reason I wanted to get the goats. I want them to eat all this.
Mm.
That's what I wanted. That was the whole point.
Yeah.
I went back to Rural King again, and no electric fencing.
Really? Wow.
Now get electric fencing, can't get cattle panel, can't get anything.
Try down there at Menard.
No, down in Barbersville.
Yeah, nothing.
I thought they were like hardware, like Lowe's or something.
They're like Rural King, I thought.
Really? Pretty sure they're like Lowe's. Damn, there's some shingles.
You gonna put that damn fin on eBay?
That?
Yeah.
Probably gonna put on my new Ford I'm about to buy.
Yeah.
Quitting already? Be real nice if we get that one cut, but it just ain't worth it. It'll probably just fall into the side.
Yeah.
We'll just go up there and I'll wait till it dries. I'll go up there and trim what I can. You wanna hit those little trees on the backside where the goats are?
Right.
We'll get the boom lift, we'll cut it right.
Probably do, but it'd be easier if it was flipped.
Yeah.
More safer.
Yeah.
Keep it in the garage. Cleaned up here, buddy?
What sucks is they're probably gonna get flat tires for the next 20 years pulling in and out of the garage.
Just get one of them magnets from Harbor Freight, bud.
Give them a Harbor Freight?
You can get a Home Depot, find out. $30.
Are they on wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Did you get rid of this trash for me yet?
You got this fence hooked up?
Yeah.
Put a shock in your ass, Hank? No. Okay, no.
No. I don't even got to turn on anymore. They don't fuck with it.
Hey, Hank.
Oh, look, Grim's out over there somewhere. I don't even know how I got over there. No, that's Bullseye. Grim's not even in here. Grim's out somewhere else.
Dude. The fence all fucking laid over and shit.
It was in better condition and just... Grim! Hey, Grim!
Oh, he's right here.
Oh, he is in there?
He's under the thing.
Oh, hey, Grim!
Hey, Grimson.
You stayed in this time and Bullseye got out. See, he gets on the doghouse and jumps over this.
He does?
That's how he gets out every day.
Really?
Damn. That baby Grim.
You think he's fat enough to do that?
Oh, yeah. That baby Grim.
You want to cut these trees right here?
I figure.
You think
They're-
fucking Bullseye will freak out?
She freak out, what's she gonna do?
Run that way?
Oh, I don't care. She'll come back when she's hungry. Cut those little ones and maybe these two. Hey, Grim. Hey, buddy. God! You threw him right over on top of us.
You don't give a shit.
What are you doing, Bullseye? It's pretty good.
Yeah, they didn't go so care. Sitting there eating.
Yep. Oh,
Right on top.
it fell right on us.
He's eating one of these now.
Oh, yeah.
The tree that fell.
Yep.
Folks don't give a fuck.
No.
Negative fuck.
No.
You ain't none. You good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this spot cleaned up enough to get the fence back up somewhat.
I don't know.
See, I didn't want to put the fence over here because I knew of this problem, but I couldn't get cattle panels, so I had no choice.
Probably would have took the fence down and cut it.
Maybe.
No.
Damn. It's just the thorns. God.
Ooh, there.
Fuck.
I got my fucking finger.
They just eat around the thorns and stuff. It amazes me.
Can I get you some other gloves? Real thick ones?
Yeah.
Come in here. So.
Yeah.